well-maintained roof in Tucson's climate can outlast its rated lifespan by years. A neglected one rarely does. DC Roofing of Arizona provides annual and biannual maintenance programs for homes and businesses across Tucson. Every visit covers debris removal, drain and gutter clearing, re-caulking, flashing inspection, and minor repairs, all documented with photos. David has been maintaining Tucson roofs since 2011. Preventive service calls from longtime customers are a core part of how we work. From flowing wells in Sam Hughes to the Foothills and Rita Ranch. Local crews, no travel surcharges, and priority scheduling for maintenance clients. 4.8 stars, 500 completed roofs, and a written warranty on every service call. Call DC Roofing of Arizona and set up a maintenance plan that keeps your Tucson roof performing year-round.